crafters. Well, welcome back to my channel, Margaret Knob Designs. And I am very late posting this Smash Our Stash video for the month of July. I was on vacation the beginning of the month, and then I had issues with uploading to the internet at our cottage. And then when I got back, some things happened, and so I still had gotten my project done, so I wanted to go ahead and show you what I did for Smash Our Stash. This is a hop that is sponsored by Bourbon Creek Crafts and Teresa at Fresh and Renewed. And you can see all of the YouTube and Instagram and other hoppers in my description box. All the links are there. So if you didn't watch it on the 7th of July, then you have an opportunity to go back down the list and watch all the hoppers now. So my favorite thing this month, smashing a kit. And it was a free choice. So of course I had my Kim's card kits, another one that I wanted to smash. And actually this is probably one of the newer ones, but what I really liked about this kit was it had 12 cards, and it had a card for all around the year, but it had three designs for 4 of the cards. So rather than having every card have a different layout, there was 3 different layouts, and I really liked that because it helped me get the cards done a little bit quicker, because I didn't have to keep looking at the instructions for the cards. Now I do a lot of gift giving for people at Christmas time, associates or people that I work with, and this year I think what I'm going to do is give cards that I've been making all year long as a gift, and so that they have something to pull from throughout the year. That's one of my ideas, and I possibly will make a card box for all the cards to go in as well, with similar or matching paper. So let's get to it, and let me show you the cards that I made. Again, there's 12 cards in this kit. It's called Year-Round Card Kit. 12 cards in here. All the pieces are cut. Everything is put together. All you need to do, I should say, all I need to do is put them together. So my first card, I kind of did these like a January, February type of card. I didn't do anything into the insides, but these are all A2 cards. And I did put, oh, I have a piece of tape back there. So some of these items are popped up in this square piece, and some of these items are popped up, but this is Warm Wishes. I thought it was very cute with the little snowman on there. And then for February, we have another one that has Warm Winter Wishes. So again, with Kim's card kits, what you get is this background was cut. These pieces of cardstock are cut. I get a couple of the dots and the ephemera pieces, as well as a white sheet with these sentiments on it, and all I have to do with these is cut these out, while all the rest of it is already cut, and I tie my own bows. Really cute, really good deal. If you like to make cards and you like the designs of her cards, I think she does a great job. So that's my February, and then I hopping right into spring in March here, and with the ephemera pieces and the small dots, I think it's put together really well. You can see there's some different color cardstock back here as well. And then April, we've got our flowers. April showers bring May flowers, but we've got April flowers here. And then May, I did a happy birthday card with a picnic, starting to picnic at that time. Thought that was cute. And then we've got June, and we've got rainbows and butterflies and hearts. And you can see that you can't even tell that some of the cards have similar layouts, because there's so many different ephemera pieces or items that are put on the front of the cards. They're just so cute. So then we go to 4th of July, and what a great card this is for a happy 4th of July, and really nice with the red, white, and blue. A nice happy birthday card for somebody for the summer, or somebody who really likes the hot or warm weather. Looks great. Got another happy birthday here. That's the other thing is with these sentiments, she gives you, I think I have 10 or 20 sentiments left over. There's quite a few. And with that, so I just picked out the ones that I wanted to put on the cards that I thought were most useful for me. You know, since my mother has passed away, I don't need to make a Mother's Day card. So I don't think I used the Happy Mother's Day. So, but another nice one with the sun. And then, of course, a nice October card. I'm not a big fan of Halloween, but I thought for gift giving wise, this would work really well for individuals that do like Halloween. I love the colors of the green cardstock that she used with the orange. I thought it was beautiful. And then we've got our great autumn blessings, our sweater weather, the leaves, the pumpkins. I think it turned out really great. And then our final one is our Christmas. And with our Christmas cheer, got lots of red on here with a nice green and ornaments and packages. So those are my 12 cards that I put together from Kim's Card Kit. And again, I'm really enjoying them. If you like to make cards from kits, she's one of the best card kit makers there is out there. I have done Echo Park. I have done Simple Stories. But I'm telling you that I like her kits best. They might be a little bit more than some kits, but she puts work into cutting them and putting everything together for you. Directions on a printout, which makes it pretty easy so that you can go along and understand what you need to do for all the kits. So go on over to her website. It's www.kimscardkits.com. And thank you for joining me. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Love to know that you're a part of my channel. And have an awesome rest of July. Thanks so much. Bye.